In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record meetings on Zoom. So you want to go to Zoom, then if you click on My Account at the top right corner, it will send you over to the settings page where you can click on settings right there. So that's under personal and then settings. Now once you're here in settings, you can click on meeting, recording or phone, and you want to click on recording. And then if you scroll down, you can actually enable automatic recording. So this will help you record meetings automatically as they start. So if you go into a meeting and you enable this, it's automatically going to record this onto your local computer. So that's pretty much how you can enable or record a meeting on Zoom. It's really easy. All you need to do is enable this right here, and by doing so, you will automatically record every single Zoom meeting you'll have from now on. So if the video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and then I'll see you next time.